Hey everyone, it is your favorite realtor Jeff Musey with the Benson Crew Real Estate Team. And in this video, I'm going to go over the 5 most important things you need to do to get your home ready for the winter season. So let's get into it right now. First things first, you're going to want to clean your gutters. Now, this isn't definitely the most fun job, but it is a big game changer. You're going to want to clean out your gutters and downspouts before the ice hits. If you do get a clog when the ice starts to melt, it can actually back up into your roof and create leaks, ruined shingles, and can cause a bill that is not fun to have. So spend a little time now so you can avoid the "why is my ceiling dripping" panic later. The next thing you want to do is prep your outdoor faucets. Unhook every hose and turn off the water source inside the house. You're going to want to drain your outdoor faucets and cover them with a frost cap. If they freeze, the pipe behind the wall can actually crack and you won't know there's an issue until the spring thaw sets in. And if you've got an in-ground sprinkler system, you're going to want to hire a landscaping company to come in and blow out the lines so that the lines don't freeze and burst underground during the winter. Next, you're going to want to seal any cracks you have in your concrete. I'm talking about walking your driveway, walkways, and patios and looking for any small cracks. Because trust me, even the smallest crack can turn into a mini canyon during the winter. You see, in the wintertime, water seeps into these cracks, it freezes, expands, and then when it thaws, the hole is way bigger than it started out to be. So seal those cracks now while the weather is still nice. Next, you're going to want to check out your windows and your doors. Do a quick sweep of your house of the windows and doors to make sure that all the seals and the weather stripping are okay. If they are cracked, loose, or dried out, warm air can get out and cold air is going to get in. Replacing them is cheap and it can save you tons of money on your hydro bill. And finally, inspect your furnace. Before the deep freeze hits in January, you're going to want to make sure that your furnace is ready to roll. If you are unsure if your furnace is ready for this winter, you're going to want to hire an HVAC company to come and take a look at it and test out its components and replace anything that is failing or is in need of repair. Trust me, it is a lot better to do this now than to wake up at 3 a.m. and wonder why your house is like an icebox. These 5 steps knock out most of the fall risks and help your home stay comfortable all winter. If you want a full fall checklist of everything you should do to get your house ready for the winter, just let me know and I will send it over your way. And I will see you in the next one.